Welcome to OrderEm, your go-to online ordering, e-commerce and technology platform, helping businesses build standout websites, apps, loyalty programs and much more. The opportunity. The graphic design field is crowded, with many designers competing for the same projects, making it hard to stand out. Partner with us. At OrderEm, we're here to help you stand out and grow faster with unique offerings. Partner with us to offer your clients more value in your designs, e-commerce stores, and marketing with the help of OrderEm's tools. Here's how it works. Start by learning about OrderEm. Use our tools to serve your clients, offer your design and marketing services by the hour, and together, let's grow. Ask the right questions to understand your client's vision, goals, and target audience. Offer consultations to refine their ideas and stand out as more than just a designer. Use OrderEm to provide mockups or templates, helping clients visualize their concepts clearly. With OrderEm, you can get consistent work. No more chasing clients. Get more done with our tools. Diverse clients. Work with businesses across various industries, expanding your portfolio. Growth opportunities. Scale your business with us by taking on more projects and leveraging our platform. Build your portfolio. Specialize in a niche or focus on a design style like branding, UI, UX, or packaging. Personal branding. Strengthen your online presence with social media, a professional website, and platforms. Referrals and networking. Attend industry events, join business communities, and ask clients for referrals or testimonials to boost visibility. Ready to elevate your design business? Partner with OrderEm today and unlock new possibilities. Contact us to get started.